Hello friends, welcome to Coding with Bharat. So in this video you will learn what is char data type. Okay, so let's begin. So char data type in C, char, char. Okay, so char is a fundamental data type which is used to represent characters. Okay, so characters, CHARACTERS. So from characters CHAR is taken. Okay, so CHAR, so it is used to store the characters. So the characters may be alphanumeric numbers. Okay, so alphabets plus numbers. So from A to Z caps, or from small a to small z, or 1 to 9 numbers. Okay, so the char data type is used to store individual characters in C. Okay, so it is used to store the individual characters. Okay, so generally it occupies 1 byte of memory, and the char data type can be used to represent both alphanumeric numbers or characters. So it may be from capital A to capital Z, or small a to small z, or 0 to 9 numbers, and special characters. Okay, so special characters may be ampersand or any other things. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more.